Surf is looking fun out there, so let's go catch some waves. So I leashed up and I grabbed my board and I went into the water. I paddle out to the waves, but most of the waves I caught were just wipeouts. It was just wipeout after wipeout during the session. My hip wasn't feeling that good after last time I surfed, but I'm gonna keep on trying catching some waves. And after more and more wipeouts, I finally got a few decent rides. This wave I just rode until it died out. And the other wave I rode and I didn't think it was going to be that good, but I thought it looked kind of cool on camera. I did like how the spray looked on camera, but either way, today was just simply not my surf day. Everybody has these, but the